how to fix Windows 11 update error or update retry again. Now, all you have to do at first is just to clear all the necessary data files and cookies or cache once you've attempted and failed. Just simply go into your file manager, go to this PC, go to your local disk, Windows, and then from here, just simply hit on S on your keys and then choose on software distribution and go to downloads. Now, once you've attempted updating your current operating system into Windows 11, just simply clear or delete all these files inside the download folder. After that, open up your browser and then just simply search for Windows 11 Update Fixer. Choose on the first result, and then on this page right here, you will be given an option or you will be given a specific steps or a quick view on how you will use the update fixer. You simply download it from the download field, click on that, and install it on your operating system. And that's it. And that is how you fix Windows 11 update error or update retry problem.